Hi, I'm Rich Gordon from a Fairway Mediation Center in downtown San Diego. We help people with their divorces in a way that they do not have to step foot in a courthouse, and it provides less emotional stress on the family. Today, I'm going to be answering your questions about the difference between an annulment, a legal separation, and a full-fledged divorce. In an annulment, or nullity in California, it's as if the marriage never took place at all. But there are requirements. One is, if one of the parties had been married at the time, they don't have the power to get remarried. One is, if one of the parties is incurably insane, they don't have the ability to say yes at the ceremony. And the third is fraud. If one party made a promise that upon marriage they would have children or be a certain religion, and as soon as the marriage happened they didn't do those things, that's called fraud in the inducement, and the marriage can be voided. A legal separation separates the parties but still keeps them connected so they are not free to remarry. And a full-fledged divorce separates the parties in all ways property. They're free to remarry, but they will have spousal and or child support to deal with.
Under what sets of circumstances do you recommend legal separation instead of divorce?
When parties are not really sure that they want a divorce and go in different directions, but just want a timeout in their relationship, a legal separation may be called for, because then they can establish custody, child support, spousal support, and the division of property so that it will not have to come back later. If they then want to convert to a full-fledged divorce, they just need to wait an additional 6 months.
Are children better off when couples opt for legal separation?
Realistically, there's not much difference in the difference between the two. The children are going through the same emotional hurdles that they do. They're still going to be away from one parent or the other. Their lives are going to be confused. So there's not much difference.
What about taxes and other benefits?
With a nullity, you cannot file a joint return at all because the marriage never took place. With a legal separation, you have the ability to file a joint tax return because in the eyes of the IRS, you're truly not divorced. With a full-fledged divorce, you have the option of filing head of household or single. But the most important, I believe, are the Social Security benefits that one party can get from the other. But I suggest you call us at a Fairway Mediation Center so that you can learn what your rights and responsibilities are.